Okay guys, so how to burn MP3 music songs into CD in Windows 10 car stereo using without extra software. So open your computer and insert the empty CD into the CD burner. So in your computer, right? So here we can see that I have already inserted a new CD. So now what we need to do is let's close this window and let's click on Start menu, and you need to locate software in Windows Accessories, Windows Media Player. So click on it. New window will appear. So here we can see your CD, and we need to click on Burn, and here we need to select your MP3 songs. So open folder with your music files, select them, and drag items to your Windows Media Player. And after that, simply click on Start Burn. So click on it, and all your files will be start burning. You can see process here, and after that, everything will be completed, and you can start using your CD in your car. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.